Hi, welcome back to our channel. Today we are going to make a delicious chicken feet kicap. Firstly, we need to make sure to cut the nails and clean the chicken feet thoroughly before cooking. As a first step, we are going to add some oyster sauce and baking soda. We are adding baking soda because it essentially makes the chicken feet more browner and crispier. Mix it together and now we are going to fry our chicken feet. For the next step, we are going to add our fried chicken feet into cold water. The cold water helps to remove the oil from the chicken and it tends to make the chicken feet more fluffier. Now we are going to add some ginger, minced garlic and red chilli. Saute it all together. Now we are going to add 1 cinnamon stick for the aromatic smell and a good taste. And 1 anise star. Now we are going to add our mushroom. Mushroom offers a better taste for our chicken feet kicap today. Now we are going to add our chicken feet into our wok. Now we are going to add some water after stirring our chicken feet. Now we are going to add some thick soy sauce for the beautiful deeper color and a good taste. Mix it together. Now we are going to add some oyster sauce for the slightly sweet and salty taste. And now we are going to add a little bit of light soya sauce. Now we are going to add some sugar which can help to sweeten our sauce, and we are going to add some pepper. As an important step, we need to let our chicken feet to cook about 13 minutes. After about 30 minutes, our chicken feet have to be resulted in this gravy looking, and make sure it's not watery as you can see from the video. This is the outcome of our chicken feet kicap for today. Please like the video, subscribe to our channel and share it. Thank you for watching.